But Dino Bravo, what does it do to his heart then? It makes it swell. It makes the man turn into a lion. That's what I said, his ego. Dino Bravo. Locking right up now. And a Justice Ring. How about that? For WrestleMania, you get that type of officiating. Wow, that's the case. It's going to be a brawl like never before. From behind the earthquake over the Hulkster. Hogan's caught in the wrong curve. That took a big right hand to drop Jimmy. Hello, drive. Let's have a look count of 2 and make it 3. From behind, low. And the earthquake is struck. Earthquake in there. Double team effort. You know, why wouldn't have Hogan expected this? He lives in California. Dino Bravo, surging to the ropes. Oh, no, earthquake now on Hulk Hogan. Earthquake off the rope, no. Elbow blocks away. Hogan may not get to WrestleMania if this keeps up. He may not at all. Another elbow into the Hulkster's chest. And it's taking a toll, a big toll on the Hulkster. Look at that heavy ass smash they have. Oh no, look out, the earthquake down.
Just like I told you he would, the earthquake caused Hulk Hogan to lose the World Wrestling Federation Championship. Now, I know you would never admit it, Hogan, but when the earthquake crushed your rib cage a couple of weeks ago, the damage was done. You never recovered, but when only accomplished half the right, Quake?
Hulk Hogan! Because of my earthquake, you're no longer World Wrestling Federation champion. But Hogan, I see another natural disaster in your future. And this time, when the Richter scale reached 10, both you and your wrestling career will be buried beneath a pile of rubble. Hulkamaniacs, after the ultimate challenge at Sky Dome, proved with the whole world watching that Hulkamania rules, that Hulkamania will live forever. The training, the prayers, and the vitamins are still the strongest force in the universe. For 6 long years, Hulkamaniacs, we ruled the WWF. And at Sky Dome, as the Warrior pounded, as the Warrior beat down on Hulkamania, as the poison of the darkness entered our pores, I was in the launch position. I took a deep breath, and as I was ready to push him through the roof of the Sky Dome, my heart skipped a beat. And Jack Tunney, you don't have the right to deny me and all my Hulkamaniacs a rematch. The unlimited time span, the no rematch clause, that's a bunch of gaga, dude. And as far as you go, Earthquake, you're coming out here and claiming that you're the one that hurt me, that I never recovered, that I never had a chance in WrestleMania. Well, if me and my Hulkamaniacs have to crawl to the mountaintop, if we have to start at the bottom, well then break my legs and break my arms, and I'll crawl all the way to the top of the mountain one more time for my little Hulksters. And Jack Tunney, once I wipe out that no-good Earthquake and go through anybody else that's in our way, you have to give the Hulkster his due, brother. This is a democracy, and Hulkamania and all the little Hulksters rule. And once I get back right in the #1 contender position, in your eyes, Jack Tunney, you're gonna have to put the WWF title and the Ultimate Warrior on the line. And what you gonna do when the Hulkster and all my little Hulksters run wild on you?
In a bird's eye view of the Brother Love show. Come on, let's go down to the Brother Love set.
Hulkster.
Keep your hands off me, you half-man! You're not the world champion anymore! You don't have the right to put your hands on me!
Somebody get the paramedics. My God, this guy's hurt. For Christ's sake. Somebody get the paramedics. That's my face tonight. Damn it. Move, guys. Get it upstairs. Okay, get that stretcher over here. All right. Be careful with it. Don't take a look at him first. Careful. All right, take a look at him. He's okay. Before you move him, take a look at him. What is hurt? Easy on yourself. Come on, Danny. Watch the leg go in. His chest. Get him by his chest. Get him out of here! Move it! Move it! Watch his chest. Now, take his side there. Take the side there. Get his side. Get the other side. Move it.
Hulk Hogan, the Earthquake said he was gonna get you, and he got you. The Earthquake said he was gonna hurt you, and he hurt you. The Earthquake said he was gonna put you out of wrestling, and you're out.
Hulk Hogan is gone forever. Hulkamania is dead, and you can thank me for it.
I just left the Hulkster, and seen him lying in that bed, all busted up. Man, something I've never, ever seen in my entire life. I've never seen the Hulkster like this. And I looked up and looked into his eyes, and that look of anguish, that look of sadness, It wasn't from the physical pain, it was here in his heart and in his head. He feels like he's let us down. Well, you Hulksters out there, man, you know darn well, and I know darn well, that the Hulksters never let down a person in his life. Whenever any of us needed him, the Hulk's always been there. You felt the charisma, you felt the warmth, you felt the electricity that's Hulkamania. He's always been there. Well, now's the time for us to give back to him what he's given to us all these years. That warmth, that love, that charisma, give it back to him. Put the smile back on his face. Let him know. I'm asking you, please. Let the man know how you feel about him. Let him know that you care. Last week I asked all you Hulkamaniacs out there to show the Hulkster how you really care about him. And a lot of you did. But then again, a lot of you didn't. Maybe you didn't hear me. Maybe you didn't understand me. Or maybe you just don't realize how important this whole situation is. You know, I just came from being with the Hulkster, and he's in the... like I've never seen him before. You know, he's down, man. He's ready to give this up. He's ready to throw it all away. The end of Hulkamania. We can't let this happen. You know, last week, I asked you, please show the man how much you care about him. I'm not asking you, please, this week. I'm begging you.
Piece of manpower, a 469-pound earthquake. Jimmy Hart, how could you possibly be laughing?
I'll tell you why, baby. I want to read you a few cards and letters that have come into the earthquake epicenter, Mean Gene. Take this one. It goes, "Hi, earthquake. I'm 12 years old. It is great not to have to look at that overweight, out of shape, big ton of blubber Hulk Hogan anymore."
Wait a minute, what, you got more?
Oh, wait a minute,
He
this
wrote
is my
that himself.
favorite letter, baby. I like this. I'm glad you put Hulk Hogan out of wrestling, and I hope he stays out. P.S. We love you, Earthquake.
Wait a minute. Where did you get this correspondence, these letters? What about an earthquake?
When I came to the WWF, I wanted to meet the top wrestler in the World Wrestling Federation, and that was Hulk Hogan. When I caused Hulk Hogan to lose the World Wrestling Championship in WrestleMania 6, there was only one more thing that I wanted from him, and that was his career.
You did it.
On the Brother Love Show, I delivered 3 earthquakes that registered 10 on the Richter scale. That finished Hulk Hogan. That put Hulk Hogan out of the WWF. Hulk Hogan is finished. Hulk Hogan is history. And Hulkamania is dead.
Well, I take exception to that earthquake. However, I should point out there is another man in the World Wrestling Federation that recently asserted himself to you in front of a national television audience. I'm talking about Hacksaw Jim Duggan.
Let me tell you about Hacksaw Jim Duggan. He attacked me from behind with a 2x4. A 2x4 has no place in the wrestling ring. And when I get my hands on Jim Duggan, I'm gonna put him out just like I did Hulk Hogan. He's gonna be put out on a stretcher just like Hulk Hogan was. I know all you little Hulksters out there are wondering what kind of guy I am. You know, I come out here 2 weeks ago and I asked all you, please let the Hulkster know how much you care for him. Last week I come out here and I begged. That's right. I got down and begged. And well, let me tell you something. I'm not too proud to beg as long as it's for the right reason. And Hulkamania is definitely the right reason. You know, every time I'm with the Hulkster and he's reading one of your cards or letters, I can see it's having a positive effect on him. I can just see it in his eyes. And he reads them over and over and over again. You know, just the other day, just for a second, I caught a gleam of light in his eye. You know what it was? It was the eye of the Hulkster, man. It's incredible. You're definitely having a positive effect on him. So keep those cards and letters coming, because we can both do it together. Yeah. Hey, I got a letter I want to read to you. And it's from a Hulkamaniac, just like you guys and me. But it's from a doctor. It says here, Dear Hulk, it was very distressing to watch the earthquake ambush you on the Brother Love Show. As a physician, I realize all too well that your injuries must be causing you incredible pain. But please, Hulk, understand that Hulkamania always has and always will stand for everything that's right in the world. And it shall forever remain a tremendous source of courage and inspiration for me, my children, and everyone else. Best wishes for a speedy recovery. Dr. Mark Newberg. Wow, this is inspiration. Your letters are inspiration to Hulk Hogan. So let's inspire him like he's always inspired us. Let's show Hulk Hogan that we all really care. You know, Hulkster, as the #1 stark-raving Hulkamaniac, I can speak for all the little Hulksters out there when I say that we all miss you, that we all love you, and that we all know that a heart like yours will never be stopped, that you will be back soon, and that Hulkamania will live forever! It's no secret here in the World Wrestling Federation that the Hulk's been put down. But the Rockers know, and you know, he may be down, but he's never out.
That's right. You know it's one thing to put the Hulkster down, but it's a whole nother ball game to keep him down. And with the Rockers and all his Hulkamaniacs behind him, I know he can make it back.
Woo! Para mi amigo Hulk, millions of fans are wearing one of this as a symbol for you to fight like you've never fought before, because we want you back. Arriba! Ho! Hulkster, you've done it before, and you can do it again. If anybody can come back from the earthquake, it's you, tough guy, because remember, Hulk rules. Ho!
I want to thank each and every one of you guys that wrote letters to the Hulkster, letting them know how you feel about him. I feel so proud. My chest is stuck out so far. You know, just seeing the big guy with a smile on his face after he reads those letters. I mean, there's mounds of them. I mean, he's in the gym pumping iron, taking his vitamins, saying his prayers. The guy that I've always known, he's coming back. And it's all because of you guys. I mean, here's an example. I asked the Hulkster, I says, hey, can I read one of those letters just to the guys and let them know what's going on? He said, yeah. And I got a letter here from 10-year-old Colin Hamier from California. It says, Dear Hulk, I have my Hulk Hogan friendship bracelet on right now, and I'm going to keep it on until you come back. Please, Hulk, I love you. I care. And I'm taking my Hulk Hogan vitamins every day, so when you come back and face the earthquake, I'll be there for you, just like you've always been there for me. This is your friend, Colin Hamier. So you see, guys, it don't matter if you're a little itty-bitty Hulkamaniac or a great big Hulkamaniac like me. We're all on the same team. So come on, keep those cards and letters coming, and let's charge.
Oh, my, now he's moving. He used that drop kick for momentum.
Yeah. Double bicep, much like Hulk Hogan did. Wait a minute. Hacksaw Jim Duggan. That 2x4 is looking better than ever.
You better believe it. Just like all the fans in the WWF, we're wearing our Hulk Rules bracelets. An earthquake, it's just a matter of time before we chop you down. Tough guy. Ho!
What about that, Jesse?
It remains to be seen.
Well, if anyone can chop the earthquake down, it would be Hacksaw Jim Duggan.
Maybe with the 2x4, but he wouldn't do it with his bare hands.
Off the road!
Guaranteed.
And down!
And that might be Jim Duggan right there.
What was that on the Richter scale, Jesse?
I got that one. That was a little lighter this week, only 6.8.
6.8? Earthquake sweating all over.
But you know, after wait a minute, after one earthquake, one tremor.
What's he doing?
Take a look at that.
Now you gotta be kidding me. This idiot Mark Thomas got into the ring with the earthquake wearing a Hulk Hogan bracelet.
Yeah, Earthquake's having a big laugh. Oh, come on, stomping on the bracelet. What's he trying to do? Wait for a man. Wait a minute! Hacksaw Jim Duggan is coming in with 2x4. With all the Hulk Hogan bracelets all over it. Where's the mighty earthquake now?
Look, McMahon, I'm sick of...
You know, the Hulkster seems to be down on himself right now, but it's no disgrace to get knocked down as long as you get back up, and nobody knows that more than the Hulkster.
That's right, but we need all the Rockers and all the Hulkamaniacs to band together and hope that the Hulkster comes back. Woo.
Yes, sirree. Hulk Hogan's my buddy, and I know for a fact that fella's been down before. But I know and you know that that guy can reach way down inside him, and I've got all the confidence in the world that Hulk Hogan's going to get out of this thing just the way that I know he's going to. Good luck to you, Hulk. Oh, Hillbilly's behind you, and all of us are. Yeah.
Never! Hulk Hogan will never come back. Ain't good, because he's been a disgrace to the World Wrestling Federation long enough.
All the Hulkamaniacs out there know about the special bond between me and the Hulkster. And if there's one thing that I know for sure deep down in my heart, is that you, Earthquake, are not now and ever will be man enough to put Hulk Hogan out of wrestling forever.
Earthquake, do you think Hulk Hogan's gonna come back? Do you think he's gonna come back, man?
Jimmy, don't be concerned about whether or not Hulk Hogan comes back. Because he won't come back. After the earthquakes I gave him, he'll never be the same man again. Hogan will never be back.
Well, you know, I'm man enough to stand out here and face you and tell you what I gotta say. But I just want to say a special message to those three, Jimmy Hart, the Earthquake, and Dino Bravo. You guys have been the cause of this, and so I want to make sure that you hear it like the shot that was heard around the world. Hell no, I'm not retiring. Just before the broadcast, Jimmy Hart, I signed on the dotted line to wrestle the Earthquake in SummerSlam, brother.
It's SummerSlam, and it's you against the Earthquake, one-on-one, baby.
And you, Tugboat, don't you dare step out of line. If you do, I'll deal with you myself. Hogan, welcome back to the WWF. Welcome back to SummerSlam. You're up against the Earthquake. You've got revenge on your mind, but it's not gonna happen. I know you couldn't stand watching me demolish opponent after opponent and taking over the WWF. Now, you're coming back to try and end my career. It's not gonna happen. Hulk Hogan, I guarantee your decision to come back for SummerSlam will be the worst decision you've ever made in your life. Hulkster, man, I can't tell you how me and all the Hulkamaniacs are so happy that you're back, brother. And I'll tell you what, I can't wait to see the Earthquake look you eye to eye in the face and realize that the only natural disaster at the SummerSlam's gonna be him.
You know something, brother? The big tugboat was leading the brigade, man, trying to get me back on my feet. I've been reborn again, man. I'm the stark raving Hulkamaniac that you used to know, brothers. And I just can't wait to prove that the Earthquake is going to be the only natural disaster in the WWF. You know, this guy is like the lighthouse for Hulkamania, brother. He protects us from any harm or injury. And just in case the so-called strongest man in the world, Dino Bravo, makes a move in my direction, guess what's going to happen? Guess what happens in case Jimmy, the mouth of the South Heart, tries to bust me in the chops with that megaphone? That's right, brother. We got the big Tugster watching our back, man. He's going to be at ringside, and that's going to leave this thing right in the center of the ring between me and Earthquake, man. I owe you, brother. I owe you for the snap, crackle, and pop of Hulkamania. The way you tried to put me out forever. The way you tried to make me retire. But you know something, Earthquake? I don't see the earth opening up, man, and swallowing all my Hulkamaniacs. I've seen how you've been hurting the wrestlers around the WWF, but I don't see any of my Hulkamaniacs or any of my little Hulksters running for cover. That's why I want to get him in the middle of the ring, Tugster. I'm going to cinch him up in the launch position for you, brother. And when you tell me to release him, that's when we'll slam him in the center of the ring. That's when the natural disaster will happen in SummerSlam. And that's when the earth will open and swallow up the Earthquake. And just in case Dino Bravo gets enough courage to climb into the center of the ring to come after me, I'm going to step aside and let him run into the strongest force in the Hulkamania camp. What you gonna do when the Tugster and the Hulkster run wild on you?
SummerSlam, Earthquake, because Hulk Hogan's got Tugboat in his corner.
Don't you worry about Tugboat. Tugboat won't be a factor in your match. Earthquake, all you have to do is concentrate on Hulk Hogan. I'm not concerned about Tugboat, and I'm not concerned about Hogan. Hogan is the one that has to be concerned about SummerSlam, because he's stepping in the ring against the Earthquake, the man who can give him pain, the man who can put him back out of the World Wrestling Federation. When I get Hogan, this time it will be the end of Hulkamania.
You Hulkamaniacs, the Hulkster's got his pump back, Jack. As a matter of fact, you know something? Ever since I announced to all the little Hulksters that I wasn't retiring, that I was coming after the Earthquake with the eye of the Hulkster, everything has changed, man. On Saturday night's main event the other night, in that live arena, I've never heard anything like that, man. I've never heard the decibels so high in my life. Hulkamania is in a fever pitch, brothers. It's more dangerous than it's ever been for anybody that gets in our way. That's why the Earthquake, you and Jimmy Hart and Dino Bravo have made the mistake of a lifetime. You know something? It's coming down to the wire, SummerSlam is. And I was standing in the center of the ring, telling all my fans how much I loved them, thanking them for standing with me, the prayers, the cards, the letters. And all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it could have happened again, man. I had my back turned. I wasn't thinking. I was so happy I was somewhere else. And then the Tugster came along, brother. How did you know? How did you know to be there that instant, brother?
Man, Hulk, I was in the back getting dressed, getting ready for my match, man, and I heard the people out there calling for me, Tugster. Man, I took and ran out there with every ounce of strength that I had in my body, man, to get in that ring. And when I got in there, man, I felt it. I felt the Hulkamania, man, like it's never, ever been before, brother. And I knew with those Hulkamaniacs out there and me in your corner, nothing will ever happen again like it was before. It'll be you and the Earthquake, nothing else.
You know, it's not just me, Hulkamaniacs. This thing's for real. Witness it. I can't wait for it. What you gonna do, man, when Hulkamania destroys you?
Well, you wonder what's going to happen in SummerSlam. Will it be the Earthquake who's put out a commission? Or, as you brought out earlier, is the Hulkster really prepared for this matchup? Has he fully recuperated?
I think his ego's gotten in the way. He's come back too quick.
You should know things about ego.
SummerSlam is just about a week away, and I know that you're counting the days.
Brother Love has to go to the bathroom?
Brother Love, what does the back of my jacket say, baby? It says, Hulkamania is dead. Well, let me tell you something. Hulk Hogan, you and Tugboat in SummerSlam, baby. Both of you guys better have a lot of earthquake insurance.
Well, you know something, Brother Dino? Tugboat's gonna be in the corner of Hulk Hogan, and I don't think the Tugboat's gonna be able to push the world's strongest man around.
You've got that right, Brother Love. We want to make sure that the Earthquake only has Hulk Hogan to concentrate on in that match. That's why I'm a man of my word, Brother Love. And I guarantee you, Tugboat won't be doing anything come SummerSlam.
One-on-one with Hulk Hogan, Brother Earthquake.
You know, Hogan's talking about how I made a mistake. Well, he's the one making the mistake now by saying he'll be coming back for SummerSlam to go against me. The Earthquake, the only man who has put him out of commission. And at SummerSlam, I'm gonna send him right back to that hospital bed once and for all. And after SummerSlam, it will be the mortal Hulk Hogan, and Hulkamania will be dead.
Maybe, maybe not. We'll find out in about a week at SummerSlam.
Ring from Sioux City, Iowa,
not with us this
weighing
week,
255
somebody
pounds,
else is.
Bob Ridley.
Bob Bradley?
Yeah, he's with us, and somebody else is too. Listen to that.
His opponent from Norfolk, Virginia, weighing 384 pounds.
The Hulk's buddy. The Hulk's crying towel. That's what I call this guy.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, give the Tugboat some credit, as well as all of the millions of Hulkamaniacs who were helpful in getting the Hulkster back to his feet and back into the ring.
You know what, McMahon?
What?
By the time SummerSlam's over, Hulk may hate them all.
Why?
For talking him into it.
No one talked him into anything.
You just got through telling me that Tugboat and all those cards and letters did it. He gets a few more earthquakes, he may hate all those people that talked him into it.
About that very seriously.
Tugboat a moment ago, catching Bradley in midair, and sends him back upstairs.
You know what I just thought of too, McMahon?
What?
I hope all those people that sent cards and letters got a few more stamps.
Why?
They may have to send a few more after SummerSlam.
Very funny.
I thought so.
Oh, wait a minute. Dino Bravo coming in from behind. Out of nowhere. What's he doing in there? He has no business in there. Tugboat just having his match with Bob Bradley. And out of nowhere comes Bravo, kicking away in the midsection. Now sends Tugboat. No. All right, a reversal. Bravo's going to pay.
Wow, did he catch Dino Bravo? What a match this is, McMahon. It's going to be Bravo and Tugboat.
And into now. It's over right there. Well, they're coming out.
It's the Earthquake to the rescue.
No. Earthquake and Bravo double teaming Tugboat. Jimmy Hart's in there as well.
The master plan is unfolding, McMahon.
Oh, no.
I don't think Hogan's going to have anybody in his corner come SummerSlam.
Look at this.
Whoa!
Tugboat goes up on those 400 pounds of him. Slammed down by both Bravo.
Look what's coming. I
And
love
the
it.
Earthquake.
I love it. You feel it, McMahon? The tremors are beginning. Oh, yeah.
Earthquake off the rope. Down to the chest of Tugboat.
And this is exactly what put Hulk Hogan out of wrestling. This is exactly what retired Hulk Hogan. Now it's going to retire the Tugboat. Oh, what will Hogan do? Oh, look at that. I love it. Mimicking Hogan to the crowd. Here's a second one. First one measuring 8.1. This one
down again.
Oh, 9.2, even better. One more, says Bravo.
And the fans hoping that Hulk Hogan will come in and help Tugboat. And if he were here, he'd have been there a long time ago.
Hulk Hogan got more sense than that. Well, maybe he don't. He's going to get in the ring with the Earthquake.
Wait a minute, there he is. There's the Big Boss Man with a Billy Club. Big Boss Man.
And it's a good thing he's got a club or he wouldn't have done nothing, McMahon. It took a foreign object to drive him out of the ring.
Thank God for the Big Boss Man. There's no telling what would have happened to Tugboat.
There's no telling what did happen to Tugboat, McMahon. Look at him. He's prone. He's down. He's out. Yeah.
No, I can't believe it.
There's going to be no SummerSlam for Tugboat. Look at him. Now what will Hulk Hogan do? Ha! Here comes the stretcher. That Jimmy Hart's brilliant.
To the Tugboat. I can't believe that the Earthquake and Bravo and Jimmy Hart would perpetrate this on the man who's supposed to be in Hulk Hogan's corner.
All I gotta say, McMahon, is Hogan has lost his insurance policy. There it goes right there. Jimmy Hart, the mastermind that he is, has done in Hogan because Tugboat will not be in his corner. And now I can visualize at SummerSlam the Earthquake again, repeating the same thing to Hulk Hogan. Goodbye, Tugboat. With the ovation that Hulk Hogan is getting on his way to the ring here on
of course, to the Earthquake.
Well, you know, when my Hulkamaniac said that the Earthquake made a mistake, I'm going to show him just how big of a mistake he made, brothers. You know, Hulkamania has had its highs and its lows, and we've been sneak attacked before, and we've been down and out. But never before have we been Pearl Harbor like the Earthquake, Jimmy Hart, and Dino Bravo planned and set forth to put me out of wrestling. But you know something? When I was being carried out on that stretcher, I saw them laughing. I saw the Earthquake and Jimmy Hart, how much pleasure they had in their eyes when I was being wheeled out of that arena. They thought that I was out of wrestling for good. But because of each and every one of you Hulkamaniacs, because of the prayers, because of the training and the vitamins, I'm back, Hulkamaniac. Somebody special watching my back. He's the guy that led all my Hulkamaniacs while I was out. He's the guy that stood with me through thick and thin. And you're right, Hulkamaniacs. I'm going to have the big, almost 500-pound tugboat in my corner. Hey, and with the tugboat in my corner, that's going to leave this thing between me and the Earthquake. And I'll show you that Hulkamania is still the strongest force.
What's going on here? We're not going to have to wait for SummerSlam. It's going to happen right now. Here comes the Earthquake, Jimmy Hart, and Dino Bravo. And Hogan is caught in the center of the ring. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. And he's lucky that he's got a foreign object in there to hold these guys off. Apparently, the Earthquake not happy with the way Hogan's bragging about what he's going to do to him at SummerSlam. Hogan better learn to run quick. They got him cornered. Bravo on one side, the Earthquake on the other side. Hogan, the what? Here comes the tugboat. Tugboat hitting the ring. Hogan is saved again. We could have a tag match here. A four-man battle royal. Bravo's starting to go for the ring. Earthquake's starting to go for the ring. Hogan in the tugboat driving him out of the ring. Well, all I got to say is Hogan may have been saved this time, but he won't be saved at SummerSlam when it's the Earthquake and Hogan one-on-one to settle it once and for all.
Looking worried. What, you? Definitely.
Where's the Earthquake at, Jimmy Hart?
He's afraid, Hulk Hogan.
He's what? This don't sound right. He's what? He said afraid.
Afraid, Jimmy Hart? You know, I figured the Earthquake.
Oh, look at Brother Love snatch the microphone
Don't
away
get
from
me
us.
wrong, Hulk. Let me tell you something, baby. He's not afraid of you. He's just afraid of what he might do to you if he was out here tonight on the Brother Love Show.
That makes sense. Does to me.
Because you see, if you recall, Hulk Hogan, the last time we were on the Brother Love Show, and you said, "Where's the Earthquake, Jimmy Hart?" You put your filthy hands on me, and 2 minutes later, baby, you were laying on a stretcher, looking up at the lights, grabbing that gold cross around your neck, and all those little Hulkamaniacs out there had tears running down their face. But you see, Hulk Hogan, we're gonna give you a reprieve tonight, baby. Because you see, tonight the Earthquake's got a very important match coming up with Hacksaw Jim Duggan. And we want to make sure that you don't interfere in our match. Because you see, we want you to make it to SummerSlam, baby. But let me tell you something, man. You interfere in our match. You even come down to ringside in our match. And you will never,
Jimmy Hart, the only thing I've got to say to you, brother, is the only person that I answer to is that big Hulkster up in the sky and all of those little teeny Hulkamaniacs out there, bro. So if the earthquake has got something to say to me, why don't you tell him to come on out here man to man, eye to eye, and deliver his pre-SummerSlam warning to me, brother. Because anybody like you, a skinny little mouth of the South manager, I'm not going to even listen to, brother. So if there's anything the earthquake has to say to me, he should come out here himself. But right now, since you're the only one out here, I think it's time, Hulkamaniacs, for a pre-SummerSlam kickoff.
Whoa! There's a tough guy, right? Taking advantage of a 140-pound manager. And Canadian strongman, Dino Bravo. Dino Bravo, along with the earthquake and Jimmy Hart, instrumental in this past weekend's demise, I suppose you would say, of the tugboats. Gentlemen, we're about a week away, and it appears, Dino Bravo, that your activities at SummerSlam, when Hulk Hogan beats Earthquake, are going to be restricted to the corner next week.
That's right, Mean Gene. Well, you know I'm going to be standing there. What we want to know, who's going to be standing in Hulk Hogan's corner?
You know who he's talking about, don't you, Mean Gene? The tugboat. But you see right now, the tugboat is 20,000 leagues underneath the sea, baby. Because you see, when Dino Bravo and the earthquake sink a tugboat, it is unsalvageable. But you see, Dino, look, there's poor Hulk Hogan. He's all by himself. Who you gonna call? You're all alone, Hulk Hogan. But you see, when you look at Jimmy Hart coming out to the south and Dino Bravo and the earthquake, we're a family, man. And it's just like Archie Bunker said, baby. It's all in the family.
I can't wait for August 27th. I'll be standing there and I'll witness the big earthquake finish you up once and for all, Hulk Hogan. And furthermore, I know you're listening to me right now. If you think for 1 second to interfere in our match,
Whoa, wait a minute. Our match? Earthquake's.
you know what I'm talking about, Mean Gene. Interfering in Earthquake's match tonight when he has to face Hacksaw Jim Duggan. You won't have to worry to make it to SummerSlam because we'll finish you up right here tonight, Hogan.
Thank you. Another warning for Hulk Hogan. He better not interfere as we continue with SummerSlam.
Standing ovation for Hulk Hogan. Listen to this crowd.
Once you get sick of that, him begging the people to cheer for him. Come on, push the guy around now, boys.
Tell me something, brother Hulkster. Have you ever heard of an old TV star by the name of the Lone Ranger? Well, you know, they're going to be calling you the Lone Ranger this Monday night at SummerSlam because no one will be in your corner. You see, Tugboat suffered the same fate as you. His ribs will never be the same again. And just like you, he will never be the same man again.
Let me tell you something, Brother Love. Everybody out there knows that I'm wired, Jack. Everybody out there knows that I'm back. And I'm so red hot about this thing, brother. My body is about twice as red as your face. And I feel like taking your head off because I got something to say to you, brother. Oh, yeah. They sneak attacked the tugboat, but I was about 20 miles away hanging and banging. And oh, yeah, I felt the tremors, man, and I knew something was going down. And they were right, brother. The tugboat is not going to be in my corner at SummerSlam, but they didn't hit him on the fault line. They were off a little bit. And Hulkamaniacs never die, brother. And after SummerSlam, tugboat will be back in just a couple days. But you know something, brother love? When I heard about what went down with the tugboat, it made my mind start rolling again, man. It made me think about getting crushed on your stage, about gasping for air, about hearing the snap, crackle, pop of my sternum. And as I was being carried out on that slow rolling coffin, I saw you laughing, and I saw the Earthquake and Jimmy Hart, brother. And as I laid in that hospital bed, I gasped for air. Every second I thought about Earthquake. Every moment I thought about Earthquake and what I was going to do if I would ever get in the ring again. But then things started to change, brother love. Tugboat came to my aid, man. He started telling me good things, bringing positive thoughts to my mind. And then I realized, as I was getting stronger, that Hulkamania is the strongest force in the universe. And now more than ever, I realized that Hulkamania in the Hulkster never walks alone. Because in SummerSlam, brother, there will be millions and thousands of Hulkamaniacs all over on my side. And when I turn to my corner, there are going to be thousands of Hulkamaniacs in my corner. But there's also going to be one real big Hulkamaniac in my corner. That's a big dude that stands for loyalty, man. He stands for friendship. He lives by the 3 commandments of the training, the prayers, and the vitamins. And he stands for truth, justice, and the Hulk Hogan way. And that's none other than the Big Boss Man, brother. He'll be in my corner.
How about that? The Big Boss Man in the corner of Hulk Hogan. Has this been okayed with Jack Tunney? And here he comes down. And you better hope he stays down there with Hulk Hogan and doesn't come up here after you. I'll tell you, if Hogan was smart and was worried about the Earthquake, he should get the Big Boss Man's mother in the corner. Because with that ugly face and that stench, no way Earthquake can get to the ring.
There's rule breakers and there's law breakers. Earthquake, Dino Bravo, Jimmy Hart, they're running around the World Wrestling Federation hurting people. Well, that's against the law. The Big Boss Man's law. And every Hulkamaniac in this country is demanding justice. They are the judges. They are the jury. And when the sentence is passed down in SummerSlam, with me in your corner, I guarantee that Earthquake and Dino Bravo are going to serve hard time. You know something, Big Boss Man? Just like I promised each and every one of these Hulkamaniacs that I would sit up day and night answering every single card and letter, brother. I never break a promise. Right now, I'm going to go on the record, and I'm going to promise that with a Big Boss Man and all my Hulkamaniacs in my corner, the Hulkster's arm and each and every arm of each little Hulkster out there will be raised in victory. And Hulkamania is the strongest force in the universe. And what you gonna do, Earthquake, when the Hulkster and the Big Boss Man run wild on you? That's just it!